The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA SUV that has the factory flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail base roof rack system. So that consists of the WingBar Evo 127, 50 inches in length. This one happens to be black, but silver is also available. Below that, you've got the Thule flush rail Evo foot pack. And connecting all that to the factory rails is Fit Kit 186042. So overall, you have a really great system with an overall weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, a max crossbar spacing of up to 27.5 inches, but that is adjustable along the length of the flush side rails. So this is just a quick look at this particular fit. For more details on it, please click on the link in the description below. This particular fitment, once installed, we were able to open up the panoramic roof, but with manufacturing tolerances, you want to double check that before full operation. So again, just a quick look at this GLA. For more details, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.